Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje yoke usho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje sokungakwenza-ke nje lapho sicindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba kuletheke lona namhlanje sekuvele-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke waveza-ke indaba enkulu-ke laphana-ke mayelana ne-ANC ne-MK uma i-ANC ingawini-ke laphana-ke kodwa angifuni ukusezwa ngami-ke mina ngikudlalela-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele yona ngawakho amandla. Manje sekucela kuwe laphana ukuthi masuzwile-ke le vidiyo leyana-ke uhambe phela uye lapha kuma-comment section ufike ushiye umbono wakho nje ukuthi wena ucabanga kanjani mase-ke ucindezela nebhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti nje elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Two quick things I want to get off my chest as winter creeps in South Africa. Number one, the ANC will not willingly let go of power if they lose power in this country. They will sabotage any political party or coalition that comes into power in various ways. You must understand that a lot of ANC people are working in a lot of our state-owned enterprises, government departments, etc. They will sabotage until hopefully they get back into power. That is nothing unique to the ANC. It is something that parties that are in power, people that are in power normally do when someone else threatens for them to lose. I mean, we could argue that the apartheid government and some of their people are the reason why the ANC has struggled to transform our economy, because they've sabotaged certain aspects of that. Number two, the reason why the media and so many other people dislike ex-President Jacob Zuma is because Zuma threatens to bring in new people into the economy. Nelson Mandela, Thabo Mbeki, Kgalema Motlanthe, Cyril Ramaphosa, all of these presidents have worked really, really hard to preserve the wealth of the people that are currently wealthy. And they are only given a piece of that pie on condition that they preserve that wealth. Ex-President Jacob Zuma has proven, even under his tenure, that when he comes into power, new players will come into the economy. We've seen it in various aspects. And that's the reason why the media, which is owned by the incumbent wealthy, it's the reason why big business, it's the reason why certain political leaders refuse to have Zuma to come in, because they're like, but these are the people that are funding us. These are the people that are wealthy in this country. These are the people that have built the economy. And you are coming to bring in new guys. And we don't know if these new guys are good at running the economy. We don't know if these new guys are going to favor us. And ex-President Jacob Zuma brings that threat to them. And that's why they don't like him. Just two ideas, two thoughts that I wanted to share with you guys. Pay you all the black pen.